Welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, October 29th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of legal news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
NW Legacy Law supports Ronald McDonald House of Oregon and SW Washington. NW Legacy Law, a firm specializing in estate planning, recently supported Ronald McDonald House Charities of Oregon SW Washington by participating in a fundraiser to raise funds for families facing challenges. The firm donated a significant amount of money and time to the local Ronald McDonald House, which provides support for seriously ill children and their families. The charity offers a home away from home for families with children in local hospitals, alleviating the financial burden of hotel fees. NW Legacy Law's collaboration with Ronald McDonald House reflects their values of compassion and advocacy as they help individuals and families plan for the future through wills, advance directives, and wise investments to avoid probate. Founded by Thomas Hackett, NW Legacy Law has grown over the years to include 4 estate planning attorneys and a dedicated support team, all committed to assisting families with legal matters following the loss of a loved one. The firm is currently accepting new estate planning and probate clients.
NW Legacy Law announces promotion of Jacob Siegmuller to managing attorney. NW Legacy Law has announced the promotion of Jacob Siegmuller to managing attorney. Since joining the firm in 2018, Jake has focused on estate planning, probate, and trust administration for clients in Washington and Oregon. Known for his compassionate and practical approach, Jake provides thoughtful guidance to help clients achieve their estate planning goals. In his new role, Jake will support NW Legacy Law's mission of providing clear, thoughtful, and confident legal guidance to the Clark County community. With his dedication to clarity and compassion, Jake's leadership will shape the future of NW Legacy Law.
Colorado Judicial Institute addresses the influence of AI on the legal community. Colorado Judicial Institute, CJI, will host a thought leadership forum on the influence of artificial intelligence in the legal profession. The forum, AI Today, What the Legal Community Needs to Know Right Now, will bring together judges and legal experts to explore how AI is reshaping the practice of law. CJI Board Chair Thor Nelson stated that AI is already testing the boundaries of ethics, professionalism, and trust in our courts. The event will feature panelists discussing topics such as ethics rules, societal impacts, and responsible adoption of AI in law firms. Registration is open to CJI members for $100 and non-members for $125. The forum will take place on November 6, 2025 at Gibson Dunn & Crutcher LLP in Denver, CO.
The hidden paycheck crisis. Wage garnishments rise amid soaring living costs. Wage garnishment is on the rise in the United States, impacting millions of workers and their families as living costs soar. Nearly 2 million Americans had their wages garnished by mid-2025, with another 2 million projected by year's end. The resumed collection of defaulted federal student loans is a major factor, with the U.S. Department of Education able to withhold up to 15% of a borrower's paycheck. This financial strain not only reduces paychecks, but also leads to job turnover and decreased productivity. Workers aged 35 to 44, often in the midst of child rearing and mortgage payments, are hit hardest. Lawmakers are debating reforms to ease the burden on struggling workers, recognizing the deep personal and economic impacts of wage garnishment.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.